So here is our Rotimatic. We have been using it for around 3 days for making rotis for lunch and dinner. We make around 5 rotis per meal time. The rotis that it makes are of the size of 5 inches in diameter. This is where the rotis come out from. It uses 3 ingredients: flour, water, and oil. The reason I think it uses oil is that otherwise the roti will probably start sticking on the heating plate, so that's why it uses it. But the oil usage is very little, so when the rotis come out, they don't look that oily or like a paratha. They look like a normal roti. The way it works is it takes in all 3 ingredients, and these ingredients drop down into this mixing bowl, this one. This mixing bowl has a rotating device inside it which mixes and prepares the dough ball. This is a tray which lifts up and seals it from here so that it can mix the flour, water, and oil to make the dough. Once the dough ball is formed, it is placed here, and this arm moves that dough ball towards the heating plate. Once the ball reaches there, this upper heating plate squeezes it and makes it in the form of a roti, which is absolutely circular. It heats that. It takes around a minute to make one roti. The initial warmer time is around 7 minutes. It consumes around 1500 watts. It is protected by a GFCI. I have connected a voltmeter and a power usage meter as I wanted to know how much energy does it consume. So it's around 1500 watts while it is working. The feedback about the rotis, yeah, definitely the rotis are not as or similar to the one which you normally make on a tawa. The size is smaller. The rotis are not having the same texture, but it is probably the best thing you can get to having an automatic roti made. The closest example I can give you of this roti is the one which you purchase from the market, which probably comes as a tortilla. So think of it as a whole wheat tortilla that you are making home. The good part about it is it does not contain all those hundreds of ingredients which you get from the market roti. It has only these 3 ingredients. Other than that, the reason I'm making this video while this unit is not working is that it is pretty noisy. So if I were to make the video while it was working, you will not be able to hear me. Another important aspect of using it is you have to clean it after every use. So the cleaning is easy. It hardly takes a few minutes. Requires cleaning of only these 2 things, this and this. So you remove this, you wash it, you can put it in the dishwasher if you want. And similarly, this one, this they call the vertical plate. So this is also removed like this. You wash it and you put it back. So it's a pretty sophisticated machine. When you see it working, anyone with even the slightest bit of interest in engineering or the way these machines work will be fascinated. So I'll make the next video when it is working in operation so that you can see how much noise it makes. I believe I have a noise meter. I will check it then. I think that's about it. I cannot think of anything else. Yeah, it has these touch buttons, soft touch buttons through which it works. That should take care of it. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll try to answer those. Thanks for watching.